Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome. After I do this video, I will be going online also to, I'll be going live on YouTube to make the video. Do not forget to join our YouTube class. Okay, a quick one. You asked me a question about this Dodo skin lotion and this Maxi white lotion that you were told that this product works a lot, and how will you use it, and what tube can you use to mix it in terms of any side effect. I really appreciate this question. Sometimes you should know that before you use any product, you have to do a patch test. When I mean a patch test, you can use a bit of it to see the result. All right, yes, to see the result before you can say I want to go into it fully. You said in 7 days it can make you lighter, so you said, and without you haven't tried it. Okay, so let me tell you my experience when I journeyed through this product. This product, first of all, I want to tell you that in as much as said it whitens, it lightens, it's not 7 days. None of them are 7 days, but however, they are nice product. The reason why you all or people don't really put attention is because they see that, oh, this product is cheap. All right, yes, any product they see that you can get for 8,000, 7,000, they call it cheap. They want products that are expensive. But I tell you, if you can get the original of this product, it works. A quick one, let me tell you. This Dodo Skin Gold, yeah, with white carrot extract. This product is, you all know that carrot is a lightening product. So since carrot is involved, it will definitely lighten you, but not immediately. It works gradually, like the other lotion I did talk about, which is Irish Gold. But the only way you can there's a way you can fast track this product to lighten you in 7 days. Not these 7 days they put here. In 7 days you will not see this result. All right, but the only way you can make it in 7 days, is you putting activator, and not just any activator. It must be a very good active activator. All right, now let's see the ingredient it contains. We have a cetyl alcohol, we have a stearic acid, glycerin, and stearate isopropyl, and we have vitamin A, vitamin C, alpha, that which is AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, and we have lactic acid. And if you don't know, my only basic concern when I'm calling these names, it will look strange or surprise to some persons because they don't even know what all these things does in the body. All right, most of them, they are lightening agent, and while some, they are moisturizing agent. All right, that's just the truth of it all. Some are lightening agent, while some, they are moisturizing agent. So having good ingredient as this is a very good lightening cream. And let's go further. After that, apply Dodo Skin Gold with carrot extract evenly into your skin every night, and that's just the instruction. But what I'm telling you, that it works perfectly, or it works very well when you use it and you're ready to journey through the gradual process of it. How many people would want to be patient with the journey? All right, that is just the truth. With all this name I called, yes, it contains all those products, and we have olive oil there, we have a natural honey, so it's a very good product. We have a kojic acid and fragrance, so it's a very nice one. but the truth I'm preaching is that it works gradually. So look at it. If you have this one, it's original. If you have this one, it's original. All right, don't mind these 7 days, or these 7 days, don't be confused with that. Now you can also put this, to mix it. You can just put just at least a bit of it, just about, let's say 2% of this inside to use it. All right, it is very, very good for the skin. If you don't have this, just look at it and see how you can skip pen cream. It works greatly. Now let's talk about this Maxi white tone. If it really works according, they say yes, it works, but it's still the same process that I said. Look at it, because yes, this Maxi white tone it clarify your skin very well. Yeah, because it has clarifying properties. I'm telling you that your skin, no matter how complexity your skin is, it will well clean. It will clean to make your skin more visible. When I say it have this effect that some people, I told you this some time ago, that some people, their skin, their skin color make them dim. They might look yellow, but the color, the texture is dirty, might look dim. So these are kind of product that you can use because they work gradually. It will always bring the visibility, how you recolor it. It has that effect, and also it moisturizes your skin perfectly. Look at it very well if you have this one. And the idea about this product, is for personal. It's for those who really are suffering or passing through this kind of hidden color. Their color is hidden, like it's not really glaring, it doesn't look glossy. So you want your color to be glossy. Is a nice product. It brings out the hidden beauty. This product, that is the fact. They should be calling this product this name, bringing out hidden beauty, because some persons who really have a difficult time with their skin, I've used this product to promise for them. So you can use this product, I guarantee you it will work. And also you can mix it if you want to activate it. If you don't want to use that, you don't want to use it gradually, you can activate it. All right, you can also use this for it to mix it. All right, so it is what it is. Then above all, use the original one of this AHA. Use the original one of this AHA. This one is not original. Use the original one of this AHA to mix it, to make it a safer, more safer, not the safer, more safer for your skin. All right. So after knowing all this, I'm going live now. After now, I'm going live to still talk about this for those who are on live, those who join us on live, come on live. Let's still study more deeper. You can ask questions there. Remain Austin Global. We ship everywhere. Bye.